Hello.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, you're from India. Very nice to
Yes.
meet you. My name's Melissa.
Thank you.
So, what
Yep.
brings you on Cambly today?
I just want to improve my English and I want to do practices with a native
Okay.
speaker.
Just a regular conversation is what you want?
Today is my first session and you're the first. Pe-
Oh, really?
yes. Yes. I just signed.
Oh.
I just signed up yesterday.
Oh, very cool.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Nice. So, then tell me a little bit about yourself. So, you're from India. What else? Do you work? Do you have a job?
Ye- I'm a businessman and I work for the US customers and Canada customers for the last 10 years. I have so many clients in US like New York, Florida, Pennsylvania, and Los Angeles, uh, South Carolina, North Carolina. And I have so many customers from across all the states in United States and Canada as well. I'm a digital marketer plus I'm a IT solution provider. My business is already registered in Georgia.
Okay. Well, you have a lot of customers all throughout the
Ye-
U.S. That's
Yes,
that's
yes,
pretty impressive.
right.
Wow, that's really cool. For the last 10 years.
Yes. For the 5 years, I have worked in a company, and since 2017, I started my own digital marketing agency. And for the same, I've been working. I made lots of money as well, and you know, made so many customers.
Oh, that's awesome to start
Yeah,
your own thing. That's really cool. I admire people like that. Takes a lot of dedication and hard work to
yes,
do that.
that's right. And it was my passion since the beginning to talk with the foreigners before my college.
Mhm.
It was my passion that whatever I will do job, that should be related to the conversation or especially doing talking with the people, different nation people. So um, I just went into this job. I'm a salesman basically. I have to convince customers to get my package, website development or SEO services. These are the digital marketing, uh, things I do, and especially I just convince customers to get the service from my company. So overall, it's been 5 years, and I'm doing great in this.
That's really cool. Very
Yes.
very impressive. That's awesome. So I assume you're like super. I mean, takes up majority of your day, right? Work.
Yes.
So when you're not working or when you're not, kind of in your company, what do you like to do like for yourself? Like what type of stuff do you like?
See, I have joined one local institute here nearby my address, and I'm a public speaker as well. You can say the people who are in my contact, they say I should be a motivational speaker because I speak a lot and I give some kind of motivation and inspiration stories which inspires them for their studies or for their education or career. So even I'm not sure if I'm a motivational speaker, but yes, I talk well, and I'm a religious person, and I always talk about God and existence of God, and I always give examples. Let's suppose if I am given a topic, so I include some of the religious quotation in that to convince people, and
Mm-hmm.
I give some evidences to support my statement. So this is all. I like public speaking, and I've been doing this for a long period of time. In beginning, just 10 years ago, I did not have even a skill of knowledge of how we have to talk in English because the education I got, it was completely my national language, my national. It was kind of a Hindi medium. Hindi medium means all the books or the information you will get that should be in your local language, not in English language. So up to the 12th, I just studied from that education thing, And when I thought I should just, nourish my career well, I should just study English. I joined a local group nearby my address, and then I started learning English. So you can say 10 years ago, I was just nothing. After 10 years, I'm a multimillionaire.
Oh wow, that's really awesome. That's
Yeah.
that's so cool that you built that for yourself.
And it's all credit goes to my English communication and skills, which I have been passionate about. You can say I'm crazy about this. I talk whenever I talk in English. It gives me some kind of energy or enthusiasm in myself. I feel
Hmm.
confident, and it helps me in my business a lot. You can say.
Yeah, of course. English is so universal, and every country is starting to speak it now, and it's just something that's a necessity and that you need all the time. It's
That's right.
something that most people should really learn. But
Yes.
that's cool. You said you're a public speaker. Like, have you always been comfortable speaking in front of people? Like, you don't get nervous or anything like that?
No, I was a teacher when I was in my village. Right now I'm in Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. When I was in a part of eastern part of India, I belong to. When I was in my hometown during my college days, I was appointed as an English teacher there for the 3 years. I was teaching them English conversation. At that time, I was very good because I dedicatedly, converted my weakness into the positive, strength. Because as I told you that I did not know English before that.
Yeah.
Yes. So when I realized that this is my weakness, when I took admission in higher studies, I understood that I have to go through this journey, and I decided to pursue to learn English language. And I took admission. I continued my education, and it was a lucky, a moment for me because the study which I chose, there was a teacher. He was a great teacher. He inspired me a lot. He changed my whole life. He gave me a perception, to be optimistic always, to remain positive in any kind of, stream you do or continue in your life. You have to be optimistic. I continued
Mm.
my journey and I was appointed as an English teacher because I completely converted my weakness into this strength. Okay. So I was there for 3 months, 3 years as an English teacher, and it gave me a kind of, it removed my nervousness, you can say, and it gave me a kind of a challenge how to face people. So that's the experience I have still right now, that I face many people. Even I go there and I keep on talking. People wait for me that I should go there, and they give me a topic to describe something. I keep on talking and I keep on describing, and so I never face any kind of nervousness or any hesitation while speaking. I face them with confidence, and I like it. When you're passionate about something, you know, so somewhere you
Exactly.
feel kind of a zeal in yourself, energy, So
Hmm.
I never
That's
face,
wow.
I never face, I never face any kind of nervousness. But sometime I face when I did not prepare myself.
Mm. Okay. That's wow. That's really awesome. Because I also like worked in a school. And I do now. I was super shy person. I still am very shy,
Hmm.
but um, I feel like you said, when you have to speak in front of people or speak in front of an assembly or something, you kind of overcome it sometimes. But
Yes,
I mean, I'm sure I'm not as comfortable as you are speaking in front of people.
yes,
But yeah, definitely you have to like overcome your fears, and kind
yes.
of turn them into a positive. But that's really awesome. That's
Even people say that my English is good, my pronunciation, my phonetics is all
hmm.
good, but why you go there and attend the public speaking? I say them, see, it's my passion, and I follow my passion. And even though I know about myself that I speak good English, but we have to be consistent in our passion to accomplish some level of confidence or some level of success in your life. So I continue my journey still, even though I feel about myself that yes, I can talk and I speak. up to some level, but still I need those confidence which I need to push myself to get my success. And success can be anything. It's my journey, right?
Mm,
I
of
have
course.
to, yes. So, but you asked the question very beginning, what brought me to the Cambly? So this is what I want to improve my English as much as I could. I want to be,
Hmm.
speak a lot in English. And when I see people talk in English, I feel good. I don't know. I don't know what's the reason.
Like
I'm not
it's more
admiring
speaking
English.
with like the native speakers, I
Yes.
guess. More. Yeah. And
See,
I was gonna mention that. I'm like, your English is awesome, but you just said that you're aware of how well your English is and you're just trying to improve it because there's
yes,
always room for improvement no matter how
that's right.
small or how,
Yep.
big it is. But yeah, that's awesome. So I think, just regular, communicating with any
Yes.
English speaker is gonna definitely help you out more, and
Yep.
make you more confident than you already are. So
That's right. Yes. I
that's
want to
that's
be
really cool.
consistent, to travel my journey and keep on talking, keep on speaking. Even I didn't feel I need Cambly, but still I signed up for 3 months because I want to explore more and more.
Hmm.
Yes, I want to talk.
That's you're like a really passionate person.
Yes,
You're really passionate about everything that you do, and that's really admirable.
yes.
Um, and it's
And
cool.
when I came to my location here in Delhi, in India, from my hometown, that was a small district. I was a kind of, I did not have much money. If you talk about the income level, it was very small. Like in your dollar, I can say when I traveled from my location to here, I just carried $50. That's all.
Hmm.
And now I have millions of dollars in my bank account. It's
It's
all
really
possible.
awesome.
It's
Yeah.
all possible because of English language and English
Hmm.
communication skills. Where
Yeah.
where I belong to, the locality, you cannot find a person who could speak like me. I'm not appreciating about myself, but yes, this is a reality. When I go to
Yes.
my hometown, the people appreciate about me. People talk about me that this is a person you know, who traveled his journey from so much boundaries, so much barriers in his life, and he broke
Yeah.
all those barriers and obstacles in his life, and he reached up to the position where people feel proud of to be just like him. I'm not talking
Yeah.
appreciating about me, but this is a reality.
Yeah, no, but it's yeah, I'm sure you're an inspiration to a lot of people
Yes,
who probably knew you or saw you at the beginning of your journey
yes,
and now they see what you've reached and what you've accomplished.
yes,
So, yeah, I'm sure you're an inspiration to a lot of people, and
yes.
that's
I think
awesome. It's
our time is we have only 2 minutes, right?
yes, our time is almost over, but yeah, I mean, definitely continue practicing and wanting your growth. Even though, like you said, you're really good at what you're doing
Yes,
already. But
right.
yeah, I mean, that's really awesome to hear your story. So it was nice meeting you, and
Thank you.
yeah, I hope who knows, maybe we'll talk again, maybe we won't. But it was your story is really inspirational.
Thank you.
So that's actually really awesome.
I have many. My life is full of struggle. Sometimes
Yeah.
there was a time when we did not have a food for the second time.
Mm.
Yes, one time we had a food, second time we have to wait. We did not have a beautiful home. We had a kind of a small home. We were joint families. So many trouble while I was continuing my education. That time, lots of disturbance. But in spite of this, I faced those challenges, and here I am right now.
Yeah, that's really awesome. And I'm sure your parents are like super proud of you
Yes,
for
they,
like everything that
they
you've
are.
done.
Yes,
That's really cool. Yeah, that's
and all my credit goes to I cannot even thank about myself that it was the best of decision I took in my life to get in touch with English and improve myself.
that's really awesome. It truly
Right.
is, and I meet so many people wanting to learn it to better themselves and
Yes.
yeah, I feel like you're you're kind of like the face for that.
Yes.
But we only have 10 seconds, but it was so nice to meet you and thank
All
you
right,
so
thank
much
you
for
so
your
much.
call.
All right, good
Yeah.
night. Bye.
Bye. Have a good one.